Alright guys, this is a quick review of TLC, the last coat. Pretty much to sum it up, this is an awesome product, very easy to use and provides great results. This is a 2007 Mazda 3 and it is garage kept, so it's in pretty good shape. My prep before this was a rinseless car wash. And then this is one coat of TLC, the last coat. And I have used top coat F11 before, and that is a good product, but I feel like this provides even better results. And it was a little cheaper, and supposedly it's supposed to last longer, so we will see. But just wanted to give you a quick review. Great product, and their customer service is top notch. Highly recommend it. And the reflections are pretty amazing. Really brings out the red. Did the wheels too. Thank you very much. The last coat.